Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, black color, green color, yellow color and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first we draw A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bus, C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for goat, G for grapes. Kids, again use blue color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J for joker, J for jackfruit, and here is red color, K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use red color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now draw R for rose, R for rice, and here is black color. S for sun, S for snake, T for teacher, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, again use black color and draw V for van, V for vanilla. Kids, now W for wallet, W for watch, X for x-ray, X for telephone, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, again use black color and draw numbers. And first we do 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-2, 3, T-H-R-E 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now to 6. The numbers of 6, and here is green color, 7. The numbers of 7, 8. The numbers of 8, 9, 10. The last numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.